here today who gets tension headaches, and we know that it's tension headaches because of his symptoms that he describes to me. He gets this kind of like tight headband sensation around his head, and it's also close to the eyes. So when I palpate and I go up along his neck to the base of his skull, there's these little muscles called the suboccipital muscles. And those, when I palpate in, does that hurt? Is that tender?
Yes.
And is it recreating the headache?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we know that it's the suboccipital muscles causing it. So we're going to get started with treatment.
I can't wait.
Okay, so we've got my handy dandy tool right here. And what this is going to do is it's going to break up any scar tissue or adhesions that he may have in the muscles. And we know that that can cause pain to the touch. I'm going to just palpate here. Is tender?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started with that. Okay, so what I want you to do is look towards your left armpit for me. And come back up. Do it again. And come back up. Again. Come back up. Okay. And now what I want you to do is you're going to take your left ear to your left shoulder. Good. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So go ahead and look towards your right shoulder for me, or your right armpit. Now what I want you to do is take your right ear to your right shoulder. Okay, good. Okay, so now we're going to do some soft tissue mobilization of your suboccipital muscles. Okay. Is that tender?
Yeah.
Now we're going to adjust you. Let's check you for some restrictions in the neck. Get you adjusted. stretch you out here. Little traction. Put your head up. Is that feeling nice?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we're going to check for some restrictions in your back. For thoracics. Really tight on this side. Is that tender?
Mm-hmm.
Take a deep breath in. Let it all out. Good. Take a deep breath in. And let it all out. Alrighty. So we got him treated. We adjusted him. How are you feeling?
Feel good. Feel like I got a lot of movement back in my neck.
Nice. You're not as tight either. Got you loosened up. Alright. That's it.
Alright.
I don't know what else to say.